Alrighty, everybody. First things first. Whoa, whoa, whoa! What's going on? Go back, go back, go back. Um, I'm a little bit sick, so voice sounds kind of funny, but that's kind of besides the point. We're talking about the Monopoly game that I was talking about earlier. I finally made it. It's available on GitHub. Yippee, yippee! Celebration. So I tried really hard to figure out how to make it a mobile app. But one thing you got to know about me is I don't know anything. I'm just some vibe coder. I don't know what I'm doing actually. So, but it works on a desktop or a laptop. So this video is a tutorial on how to use the Monopoly app, the web app, I guess. So first you got to go to GitHub if you want a version of it. Go to my GitHub, Elric Clark, virtual money transfer. Download the code. I'm using Fedora Linux. I had some trouble with Windows. I don't really know how to. I don't know how to Windows. So, anyways, so you go to your downloads folder, you unzip it, and then you open your terminal, and you want to go to the directory. This one. Boom. And then you're going to want to run this command. Where is it? This one right here. So just copy and paste this bad boy. And then this will make the server. So if you, it'll download all the requirements. I'm pretty sure you have to have Python. But anyways, so then you get the server. Like you can import, you can like save a game. But whatever you hit here is going to be the username of the administrator, as the admin. But you can set other people to be admin, and then it'll give you a QR code so that, you know, if you're playing with your friends and everybody wants to send money to each other, they can just scan the QR code and join the game. So I'm going to scan the QR code with my phone, and it'll bring me to the web app, and I'll put in another user to join the economy, and then I can see that as an admin. With players, root, which is me, and then my phone right here, and then I can give them access. But the actual game itself, it's like, imagine you're playing Monopoly and you want to save as much time as possible, so you just get rid of the banker essentially, or think of it as everyone is their banker. So you can pass go by yourself, send money to the bank or to free parking or to other users, like you're buying property like that, and you can look at who's got more money than who. Make it a competition, and then we got a really nerdy spot for all the nerds if you want to see all that kind of stuff. But if you're playing with people that you don't trust and you're an admin, you can just be like, yeah, Bob, sorry, you don't get banker access. You can't do that. Also, you can't spam passcode to get money, which is kind of interesting. And yeah, then you can get like free parking. So if you like land on taxes, for me as a user, I can go, I'm going to send money to free parking because I land on taxes or whatever. Boom, boom. Send money. And then be like, oh, someone else landed on free parking. I got you, Bob. You got free parking? Or well, it'll be from free parking to Bob. Good job. It was 170. And then you can just kind of look at that kind of stuff. And you can change the color of your thingy over here. I'm sure there's a bunch of bugs and I really don't know what I'm doing. So I don't expect the code to be like super bougie or anything. Like I said, I just vibe coded it over a few days. So, but it does genuinely help make Monopoly go faster, and it's pretty fun. So I want you guys to try it out. Let me know what's wrong, how to fix it. Tell me why I'm wrong. Tell me how to fix stuff. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day. Adios. Goodbye.